What's up, guys? It's Anthony Scott, and right now we're going to teach you how to make your first $500 having no client, no experience. Even if you don't even have a camera, I don't care. Let's say you have just a little bit of creativity because one, I did a search online and how to find clients creatively, and all the information sucks. There is not one good way to find a client creatively in your local areas. Of course, you could do number one, DMs. But what am I finding when I come to DMs? I'm finding a lot of scams. If somebody doesn't know you, and number two, you're not a local company or you're just starting, it's gonna seem very scammy. So I wouldn't recommend DMs as a cold outreach strategy. It's very uncomfortable and it's very unnerving. So how to actually get clients in your area. Swap boards, number one. They're in grocery stores, gas stations, bowling alleys, restaurants, man, you name it, coffee shops, I name it, they're there. These swap boards are these cork boards in colleges too that people are posting their services. Whether they have a small lawn care company, they have a small salon, whether they are a personal trainer, you can reach out and say, hey, I would like to do XYZ service. Let's say you just want to manage social media and you have no gear or anything else, but you want to make your first $500 and you want to do their posting, you want to give them some tips on how to grow, because let's say you have some information like that. That is one way, is utilizing your cork boards. Number two, I'm not going to poo-poo on networking when it comes to networking is an absolute juggernaut if you do it right, and this strategy will work. Okay, a networking event is just going to be a group of local professionals, business owners. You may even be among some 6 and 7 figure business owners at these meetings, and they're generally in the morning at a coffee shop. And so if you attend this coffee shop, bring a friend, but say, hey, I'm new, I'm a college student, or I'm just starting a business and I want to offer this service in return for your testimonial. Very cheap service. Two strategies. So one, you can offer it for the testimonial, okay, and do it for free. And then after, you can say, hey, give me a call should any problems ever arise. So that is another great way to making your first $500, $2,000 deal. Because believe it or not, a lot of these companies just want their time back. When I was in technical college, they had technical college specific jobs that were not open to the public, that were just for the programs. Now, some of the programs, yes, you needed to be a graduate, and some you didn't. You could look for your skill set and to see where you could find these jobs at your local area. And if you're not a student, go take a business class, go take a marketing class, go take a design class, or go take a tech tools for marketing. When I was in there, that was all things Adobe, all professional products under Adobe. And that was a couple credits. So, and the student ID is like $5. The classes are cheap if you're just going to do one. And then you have access to these tech specific jobs. So it's 100% creative, it's 100% out of the box, and it's another way of thinking, and it's another way of getting around these curves. So if you're going to go and look for these, you're not looking for a job, you're looking to do a quick audit and seeing what these companies need, or going to the interview and saying, well, instead of this, how about I just offer you XYZ service? Because maybe you just, like I said, you want to do social media management, you just want to create their posts and do content, or you just want to help them be consistent with maybe short form video. That is another creative way. When I'm telling you to do these outreach, I'm not telling you to like DM them. I would rather you call them. So whether you're getting this information off these cork boards or you're going to these schools, calling them is just the best option, or just going there. And then for your networking meetings, like I said, bring a friend in case you feel like socially awkward, because like, I know it's crazy, like I can talk all day, but when I get in front of like a group of people, I don't know what it is. It's just too scripted. You know, share your business card, you go, share your business card, you go, share your business card, you go. It's just, I feel like the pressure's on and I struggle talking. Whatever. Anyways, there's just a handful of ways to get clients creatively, because everywhere else I look online, I know after, let's say, creative ways to get new customers, how to get clients fast. This is all just crap. But look, that actually has worked, and this will help you gain your first $500, $2,000, maybe even $3,000 deal. But this will really for sure help you make your first $500, and it's a strategy completely that I've not seen anywhere else. For my company, I've had to be creative in order to stay alive in the beginning, in order not to close like my business alive, and then to not close my doors in the beginning, and to just really get creative and just really get lethal and stay sharp. And this is just a handful of ways that you can use right now to make your first $500. All right, guys, I hope you see the next one. Smash that subscribe. See you next time.